Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. And sorry for the lighting, I'm relying on natural light and you can see the sun right behind me. Today I'm coming to you back again with another styling video, and I was going through my stuff as most of us are at home. I was going through my stuff and I saw that I had quite a few of this khaki camo clothing, and I decided to make a video on how I personally style this item. So if you're interested in this kind of video, then keep watching. A disclaimer, you don't have to go out buying a lot of stuff. There is us women, we always have plenty of things in our closet, so you can just use this like an idea and incorporate it in your wardrobe. Without much further ado, let's get into the try on. So my first outfit is gonna be this khaki green jumpsuit from H&M with my Air Jordan 1 in. I don't even remember the name of the shoes, but it's a Air Jordan 1 mid. I don't remember the name of the color.
H&M Boys Records. Speaking with eject, Papa for up. Waiting go happen for that picking. Baby boy, them check my swag, check my swag, check my swag. Baby boy, them check my swag. My swag too tight, I'm a classic guy. Baby girl, them check my swag, check my swag, check my swag. Baby girl, them check my swag. My swag too tight, I'm a classic guy. Don't cross it, keep up the doubling. H&M Boys, baby. I don't get time for all this hustle in my hustling.
For the second outfit, I paired the same jumpsuit with the black t-shirt and these boots from Zara. This t-shirt is in a size large and the jumpsuit is in a size medium. And the shoes are in a 42.
H&M Boys Records. Speaking with eject, Papa for up. Waiting go happen for that picking. Baby boy, them check my swag, check my swag, check my swag. Baby boy, them check my swag. My swag too tight, I'm a classic guy. Baby girl, them check my swag, check my swag, check my swag. Baby girl, them check my swag. My swag too tight, I'm a classic guy. Don't cross it, keep up the doubling.
Started with these Nike shoes or Nike sneakers, the same t-shirt, a washed camo joggers from H&M, and I'm still gonna wear it with these boots right here, okay?
H&M Boys Records. Speaking with eject, Papa for up. Waiting go happen for that picking. Baby boy, them check my swag, check my swag, check my swag. Baby boy, them check my swag. My swag too tight, I'm a classic guy. Baby girl, them check my swag, check my swag.
So my next outfit is gonna be this black training crop top, a denim jacket from Zara, and a camo paperback trousers from Zara.
H&M Boys Records. Speaking with eject, Papa for up. Waiting go happen for that picking. Baby boy, them check my swag, check my swag, check my swag. Baby boy, them check my swag. My swag too tight, I'm a classic.